Yo, I'm starting a new corner on my channel called Onomatopoeia Japan. In my new corner, Onomatopoeia Japan, basically, Japan has like thousands of onomatopoeia words. Okay, since it is a rainy season, I'm gonna talk about onomatopoeia sounds that go with water. Let's start with rainy sounds. Za, 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 ame futteru. Za is like the hardest rain possible. So that's the sound that Japanese people perceive as rain. Za, ame futteru. Basically in Japan, onomatopoeias are usually, not always, are doubled. So za, okay? So most of them are going to be dun, dun, bum. Next. Shito, misty rain. Shito shiteiru. So that's like when rain just starts out, or it's kind of misty, like fine rain. This is shito. Shito ame futteru. Next. Starting to rain. Pa, la, para. Okay? That means it's starting to rain. So, para futte kita. It's starting to rain. Futte kita means falling down, like raining. So, para futte kita. So these are your basic rain sounds. Za, heavy rain. Shito, misty rain. Para, starting rain. Za, ame futteru. Ame is rain. Remember that. Ame is rain. Futteru means falling. Rain is falling. Za, ame futteru. Shito, ame futteru. Para, ame futteru. Ame fure母さんが蛇の目でお迎え嬉しいな。ピッチチャップラン。As you just heard the song, I'm gonna explain it to you. Ame, as you know, is rain. Fure is falling, or falling. Ame fure. Ka-san ga. Ka-san is mother. Ka-chan, ka-san, haha. So many ways to say mother. Ka-san ga. My mother. In the olden days, janome was umbrella. Janome. But umbrella right now would be said kasa. Mikasa, sukasa. Kasa. Easy to remember. Janome, umbrella. De omukae, pick me up. Like, she picks me up from the train station. Omukae, pick me up. Ureshii na. I'm happy. So, my mother brings the umbrella. I'm happy. And then this is the sound effects. Pichi, like rain. Chapu, the sound of walking on water, like on the streets. Lan, that's kind of like a la, lan. So, rain, fall, my mother gets the umbrella, I'm happy. Rain, walking, la.